So this is an example of a beautiful integrated question which involves medicine, pharmacology and of course dermatology subject. So pause this video and try to guess what is the answer, and if you have marked option D, that is discontinue phenytoin and begin valproic acid as the answer, awesome, your answer is absolutely right. So let us see what are the clues which are given in the question. So child is having seizure disorder and there is development of morbilliform eruption and there are liver function tests which are elevated, and yes, the medication which is notorious to produce this eruption is phenytoin. So what is the next best step which you must take? So with all these clues, I hope you have understood what is the diagnosis. The diagnosis is DRESS. It is DRESS, which is full form is drug reaction with eosinophilia and systemic symptoms. What are those symptoms? Most important one is fever. The patients are going to have fever and they are also going to have morbilliform eruption. So these are the two important symptoms, and apart from this some investigations can be deranged, like for example here we have seen liver function tests are elevated, and apart from that of course the name itself is telling eosinophilia, so why not peripheral bloods, yes, will have eosinophilia. Okay, so here you can see drug reaction with eosinophilia and systemic symptoms, that is what is drugs. And you must also know what are the drugs which can produce this drugs. So what are those drugs? Of course the question which you have seen in that phenytoin was the drug, and it belongs to a group of anticonvulsants which are called as aromatic anticonvulsants. So they are the ones which you must remember, they are the most important ones. Apart from this, yes, minocycline, dapsone, nevirapine, abacavir, all these medications also can produce this drugs, but yes, aromatic anticonvulsants are the most important ones. And if you know what are all the aromatic anticonvulsants, try to list out the names in the comment below by pausing this video right now. Okay, so let's move on to what is the treatment for this. So because the medication anticonvulsants are producing this, so we have to stop the medication and we have to start the patient on the steroids. And yes, here comes the answer for our question. So the aromatic anticonvulsants have a property of cross reactivity. So if a patient is having allergy to phenytoin, then most probably he is going to have allergy to carbamazepine or phenobarbital also. So we should not restart the patient on these medications. Yes, once this drug is completely cured and we have managed this patient, definitely we have to start some anti-seizure medication, otherwise the patient may go into seizures. Okay, so we have to start some medication which is not an aromatic anticonvulsant. Yes, valproic acid or levetiracetam are the ones which can be replaced instead of the aromatic anticonvulsants. And if you try to answer this question 408 followed by your answer,